Hello and welcome. Today we have yet another beautiful and modern PowerPoint slide to make your next presentation impressive. Without further ado, let's get started. On a blank PowerPoint slide, go to Insert Shapes and insert an oval shape. Draw it like this at the center of the slide. Right click and go to Shape Formats and increase the transparency to 40. Go to Insert again Shapes and insert a rounded rectangle. Increase the curvature to make it maximum. Increase the rectangle transparency to 35. Duplicate the rectangle. 5 times. Draw the rectangles to look like this on the screen. Then select all the shapes and go to Shape Format and go to Merge Shapes and select Fragments. Delete the oval shape. Select all again. And on the right hand side where the shape format is, if you don't have it, you can right click on the shapes and then select shape format. It will appear on the right hand side. Reduce the transparency to 0. Select the background and change the color to gray color. Select gradient fill. If there are any gradient stops, remove them. Like this, remove the gradient stops and change the color to light gray. Select the rectangular shapes and go to Shape Format. On Shape Fill, select white color. On the Format Shape on the right hand side, select Gradient Fill. Select Off-White color. Go to Shape Formats and Shape Outline, select No Outline. And on the Gradient Fill color again, select an Off-White color. And choose Direction to be from center. Make sure the type is on radial and the direction to be from center. Select the smaller inner shapes, these colors, and change them to different colors that you prefer. See, I've changed all the colors of the inner rectangles to different colors. And select all the shapes again and go to Format Shape, select Effects, and on the shadow, select the preset. Select the preset to be off center and transparency to 50%. The size 102 and the blade 24 points. It's time to insert icons. So you can choose the icons you want depending on where you get your icons from. I will choose the icons from the icons menu on PowerPoint. After positioning the icons nicely, insert numbers. After inserting the icons, insert the numbers from 1 to 6. You can name it whether 0 or even A, B, C, D, depending on how you want it. And insert text. So insert some text into each shape so that you can add the content you want to put inside. I'm done inserting the text on each shape as seen on the screen. So this is how the slide will look like. You can group all together so that you can reposition it. Let's put our slide on a slideshow to see how it looks like. Good. So here is our PowerPoint slide that you can use for your next presentation. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly subscribe and click on the like button for more videos like this. Thank you.